Namaste, Southern Educational Institutions. We are presenting one more dish with an egg. Same, it's an egg gives a lot of protein for everybody. And nowadays in the lockdown to fight with different diseases, the protein helps a lot. So we need to take a boiled egg. We need to take a boiled egg, and the boiled egg, the egg yolk consists lot of fat, so I'm removing an egg yolk completely. I'm using only the egg whites. So the egg white, you need to cut it into smaller pieces. Okay, very smaller pieces, so it will be very easy for us to bind and then make a dish very simply. Okay, cut the egg, and just why? Because there's so many people are saying that don't eat an egg yolk, so I'm removing an egg yolk. So I'm using only the egg white. I'm not using any kind of an egg yolk. So cut the same 2 eggs like that. Just remove the egg yolk. Okay, we are adding in a few more ingredients to give an extra seasoning. First, I'm adding in a green chilies. If you require, if you don't want any green chilies, if you want any kind of chili powder, you can add a chili powder also. I'm adding a little bit of ginger garlic, and additional ingredient I'm adding in to give a little bit color to a dish. I'm adding in carrots. If the people want to have more of a mint kind of green leafy vegetables, you can add green leafy vegetables also. See, in this dish I'm adding in a basin flour to avoid a lot of the people think that if you have a basin you will get an acidic problem. To avoid that one, I'm using an ajwain also. That's we call it as an vamu, and you can add it directly. If not, you can powder and you can add the things into the mixture. A bit of salt and a little bit of garam masala. If you want chili powder, you can use chili powder also. I'm adding a very little bit chili powder, not much. Right. Just mix this one. See, you can see the color. Okay. For this to bind, to make it into balls or shape kind of things, we are adding in a little bit of basin flour. I have mixed the basin flour with a little bit of water, and I added a coriander and a bit of curry leaves also to give a nice color, and then once the curry leaves are fried, it gives a good taste. Okay, so let the oil get ready. So once the oil is hot enough, so we can start frying these things. Now the oil is hot enough. See, I have made balls with an egg mixture. So I'm putting I'm frying these ones. Okay, just please check this one before we frying. Why? Because the ball should not open once you drop in an oil. So please drop it slowly. Don't dump it at a time. See, the balls is getting fried. So fry it till brownish color. Why? Because we added in a basin in this. The basin has to get cooked. So please mix it carefully, otherwise the balls will get open. Tomato sauce. Okay, see, it's fried till golden brown. See, you can serve as it is like this, or if you want, you can make it like a Chinese Manchurian balls or an egg Manchurian, those kind of things also you can make it. Otherwise, you can serve as it is like that.